Hey guys, KTC Gaming, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video again for this is a gaming chair. Well, right now, if nobody knows anything, up right now near Connecticut and other northern states, we are all out of power, and well, not out of power. Some places are out of power. We're on solar power, so that's why I've still got lights and internet. So I have no internet at all. And I need to shave, so I'm going to go shave right after this video. So this will be gone by the next video I make. But we're going to be unboxing my gaming chair. Yeah, so this will be a great filler video, I guess. So let's get into it. Okay, so I changed my mind and I went ahead and just shaved now while I do this unboxing video. So that was a quick shave. Now let's get into the box. So, I don't have a phone stand, so I'm going to have to go like this. And we're going to just cut along this thing, I guess. Any knife will work. I'm using a butter knife because it. Look at that. Whew. You thought I was gonna come after you, huh? Jump scare. Okay. Now we're doing this side. All right. ASMR. Ugh. Opening here. This is what we have inside. Let me flip the camera. Okay, so in this box we have what I think right here is the wheels, or the legs for the wheels. Here are the actual wheels for the chair, and this is what is this? I don't know what this is. Is this for oh, it's like a... Oh, well, I don't know. Let's just take that off and take that off. So these are, I guess, our pedals and whatnot. So we'll put this over here. Oh, yeah, I got new headphones. Take that out. That out. And this... I don't know what this thing is. Guess we'll find out along the way. Whew. There's the chair. Okay, guys, so taking out the main, or what would be more of like a main part, let's just go ahead and rip that open. Or let me just get a good angle on it. Oh, here we go. We have a manual here, I guess, for all that other stuff and whatnot. Alright, so just for a second, because I'm only using one hand for my phone, I'm going to get most of the stuff out. I'll lay it out on the ground, and then we'll start building it. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we have the manual. We have what I think is probably the head pillow, maybe? I'm not sure, but there's this one pillow right here that has some sort of a cord coming out of it. I'm not really sure what it does. I'll probably figure it out eventually, but I really don't know what's in here, to be honest. Like, I don't know what this cord goes to. It goes to something in here, and I'm not sure what. If somebody could let me know down in the comments what the heck this thing is, it would be greatly appreciated. So, but that's that. And then I have some sort of cable that I think also connects to that, because that's what this looks like. It has a button, so maybe it goes with that thing. If anyone has this chair, let me know. It's kind of like a cheaper version of an RX Racer. This obviously is our wheel thing. It's pretty neat, I guess. We have the legs, the wheels, the arms. What the hell is this? I don't know. But, oh, and whatever that is. So let's get working on this chair. Okay. Alright, so getting into this, let's see what we gotta do first. First, we're going to be making the legs. So we're gonna need this here and this here. So let's go ahead and open this and get into that. Alright guys, real quick before the video actually starts, in case you hear some really cringy music, it's on purpose. So I wanted to make a building video, and I thought, what would be funnier than putting in the most common tutorial songs you can find? So that's what I found. So if you hear songs and you're like, oh my gosh, why is he playing that? It's because I'm playing every old tutorial song you've probably ever heard when watching a tutorial. So it's gonna be funny, trust me. Okay, so now we have these, and we're going to put these together. I think this bag has something for us to use, but I'm not for certain. Are they supposed to be giving us something to put these things together? Well, I'm an idiot. It was at the very bottom of my box, obviously. So, now that I got this and all the pieces that I need, let's put that together. Okay, now time to screw in the screws. One out of 5. Two out of 5. Three out of 5. Four out of 5. Oh, okay, so I have 5 out of 5 when it comes to those. Now I have to attach the wheels.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay. Alright guys, so now we have the this part done. Now we have to put on this this thing onto that. So I'm assuming it has something to do. Let me see the manual here. It's showing that. Okay. So I need to put that on top of that. So what I'm assuming is I have to go like this? That's what I'm thinking. At least. Like that. Yep. Like that. Next up. Okay. 2. Okay, now we're going to be putting Z26s onto the arms, onto the chair. Let's do that.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay. So I got the arms attached now. So that looks like that. We got our arm here and arm there. So now let's move on to our next step. Oh, okay. Next part is done. we have the hydraulic system, or whatever that's supposed to be, or whatever. But let's move on to the next step, or the next step, which is, I guess, getting this set up. So let's get working on that one. All right, next we are attaching this bracket here to the back of this chair, which has a flappy thing that I guess covers the back of it so you can't see it. So let me figure out which side I need to put it on. Okay, so my phone went out real quick, but we got the bracket attached to the back. So now we're going to move on to the next step, which I think is attaching the top part onto the chair now. So now we're going to be doing that, which I think these screws are going into these holes over here. So let's do that. There we go. All right. Whew.
Now, you good?
Now the last part is just putting on that, but I don't think that should be a problem.
Nope, I don't think so either.
All right.
That's down. And I think that's gonna sit around the chair.
Should be a little hole.
Yep. Right there. Should just slide right on.
I think.
Should be good.
Or maybe that's just how far it goes down, and then when you do the thing, it'll lift it up.
Yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Oh, so we gotta lift up to get the chair up. Okay.
Nice, thanks.
Yep.
Oh, this thing moves pretty freely. Wow.
It's nice.
Yeah, for 105, it's not bad.
Wish I had this chair at work.
Dude, this would be nice. Now I gotta look at this thing. Apparently, it has a vibrating feature, and that when you plug it in, it'll massage you. Dude, I didn't even know that. That's the first I heard. So, wow, a massaging gaming chair?
High class, that's all I can say.
Yeah, I know. I'm still surprised that for $105, it's like, it's this. This is neat. Yeah, and then if you don't feel like getting a massage, you just put this in there.
Man, cool.
Alright guys, so we got the part onto the chair. I ended up getting a little confused and I couldn't figure out what I had to do next. So the last few parts is now attaching this to my chair and then this top part to my chair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and we should be done with building the chair. Alright guys, so after completing the chair, here it is. Got the nice head pillow, hip pillow in the back. We have a bar that extends out, and you just like that. Pretty neat. I'm going to be definitely using this for my computer gaming now. I have it leaned back just a little bit. I like to have mine leaned. And let's just go ahead and bump it up. There we go. Nice chair. Now, it says it has a massage feature. I didn't know that was a thing. So let's give that a try. Alright guys, so to do the massaging feature, it comes with this cord. So we're going to plug the cord into here, this extension cord, and it will have this, a button with that side. So we're going to go ahead and take the piece that is into the hip one. Put these together. So now it's together. Let's go ahead. Let's get relaxed. And let's see how it feels. Oh, okay, so it's just the hip. Oh yeah, that feels nice. I don't know if you guys can hear that. You guys hear that? That actually feels pretty good. Hold on, let me lift it up just a tad. I can also, since it's on, let's go just a little bit lower on the back. Okay, yeah, that's nice. 10 out of 10. I don't think I'm ever gonna leave this chair. I will sleep with the massaging feature on. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna give it a good one night sleep, and I'll let you guys know how it feels. Probably in a different video, because this video is already pretty much kind of long enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a video of me making the chair, and then in a different video I'll talk about what it's like if I when I slept on it for a whole night. So yeah, you guys look out for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys my new chair that I got and building it. If you guys did, hit the like button, because it really helps with the channel and really shows that you like the content that I give you. Subscribe if you haven't already. We are at 152. It'd be nice if we can hit 200 by the end of this year. I know we can, and we will. And yeah, hit the bell to be notified when I post brand new videos, because YouTube does not let you know when I post a brand new video. I posted VR earlier, and somebody thought that I was dead. So I told them I did post VR earlier, and they said, oh, they never got a notification. So I asked them, did you check to make sure that your notification bell is on? So if you don't get a notification, then just check and see if I posted something new, because most likely I did. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Peace out.